This is Kids Vape Explodes. You won't believe it. Apparently, this is like a good channel. People have been telling me that.
On tomorrow's
React to this.
teachings.
Show me.
No micro penis.
Oh, you think you're just so smart with wheels on your ass?
There's been an accident.
Hit the vape. Now.
A few hours earlier.
All right.
I
so
have
the
no idea what this is about, by the way.
Detention, not recess. Now, last week we covered the quadratic equation. The quadratic equation is expressed as ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0, where x is the I'll be right back. Finish the equation.
Oh, homeboy got a shit.
Can't get hit.
Bro, that's how they be vaping in class now? Wait, what? What's in that vape? Why does it smell like strawberries? Oh.
You vaping?
Want hit?
No, I do not want to hit. What is wrong with you?
Dude, calm down.
Shut up. I'm not talking to you. You know what they put in those things?
No, what?
Exactly. You could be inhaling rat poison for all you know.
I don't want it.
Oh, whoa, he's just trying to scare you.
Don't listen to him. He is not a good influence. Vaping isn't worth it. It's not good for you, man. Okay?
All right. Thanks, Mateo.
Don't mention it.
His name's Mateo.
My generation.
Is this real?
What are you guys talking about? What? That's not real. That's AI. I do not have a micro penis.
Wait,
I do not have a micro penis. I do not.
Dang, Mateo has a micro penis.
This is definitely Rami in the class, the shit stirrer.
Mateo has a micro penis, bro.
No micro penis.
What the fuck?
He's hung like a horse.
Oh, Mr. Benson.
What on earth are you doing?
It's not what it looked like. They're showing the lies. They're saying I have a micro penis, Mr. Benson.
You're going to the principal's office.
Mr. Benson, I swear, I can explain what's going on.
What is this acting?
Show me.
Nah!
Show me the student body.
What the fuck?
Okay. Freak. You really want to see this meat?
That's Harvard material.
I know. I never had anyone want to see my meat like this.
Yeah, you're getting a full ride.
What the? Bro, what the heck?
I wonder how Mateo is.
Forget about that loser. He thinks he's cool or something. You got what you deserve.
Here's your vape back.
Nah. Keep it. I got one more.
Okay.
Hey, what are you doing? You okay?
I don't know. Maybe Mateo was right. I don't think I should have this.
Hey, Jace. Is that a vape?
Yeah.
You know, my brother got sick from smoking those. I don't think you should be doing it.
Come on, Jimmy. Don't be such a downer. It's just a vape.
Jace, don't do it. You're better than that.
Ignore him, Jace. He's retarded.
Hey,
Bro, what is
I may
this
look
shit?
different, okay? But I know the difference between right and wrong. And vaping,
Bro, what is this shit?
that's just wrong. I gotta get to class.
Same.
Wait. Come with me. Gotta show you something.
Okay.
This can't be real.
What's up, bro?
Madam Blaze.
I'm not, bro. Who wrote these scripts?
I just works here.
What do you want?
Shit. What do you got, bro? I got
My boy got the side
Max
pockets
bars,
at on the
puffers,
ankle.
hit kings, whatever you want.
Which one do you want?
I'll take the blue one.
I'll give you a little discount since you're a new customer. That's 20 bucks.
Man got a fresh 20, man.
Wait. Are you cool, man?
Huh? What?
I don't know you're not a narc.
What's a narc?
Narc? Like a cop? How do I know you're not gonna go snitch on me?
I won't. I promise.
Prove it. Hit the vape.
Actually, I'm just trying to get sober.
Yo, what are you talking about?
Hit the vape. Now.
All right, bro.
That's it, bud.
Sure.
Jace was instantly hooked. He started vaping day in and day out, missing school and not showing up for anything important. His desperation led him to hook up with Blaze, all for the sake of getting free vapes. Jace was heading down a dangerous path.
Is this like an anti-vape video
You
or
said you weren't
something?
gonna vape. What happened?
Oh, look.
Like not to
Here
vape?
it is, the retard police. What are you gonna do?
I want you to stop.
He said, look
okay?
what this is.
You're better than this, Jace. This isn't you.
You think I'm better than what? Than you? Oh, you think you're just so smart with wheels on your ass.
Look,
This is crazy.
I may not be able to walk, okay? But at least I don't let something as stupid as a vape control my life.
Why don't you go and roll away and mind your own business?
Jace found himself hopelessly infatuated with Jimmy. He is in love, but felt utterly lost, unable to figure out what to do next. The knowledge that Jimmy was disappointed in him only made things worse. Jace didn't know how to cope with his emotions, and in his turmoil, he turned even more to vaping, his addiction growing stronger by the day.
What happened to Mateo?
Jace had reached his breaking point. He decided to vape, to numb the pain of his intense feelings for men, especially Jimmy. With each drag, he sought solace, hitting the vape again and again and again.
What the fuck? Wait, what?
There's been an accident. Room 22, hurry. There's blood everywhere.
Jace had become so reliant on his vape that it malfunctioned, sparking a fire that caused it to explode and kill him instantly.
Bro.
Tragically, Jace had been preparing to come out to his friends. But now, with his sudden death, his secret died with him.
What's up, guys?
Bro, what is this shit? I gotta look at the comments on this. Yo, hold on.